Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Just wanted to show you this quick used boat that we just got yesterday actually. It's a little dirty. My guys are going to get on it, get the tunes looking good, detail the boat inside and out, so it's going to be ready to go for the next owner. But it's a 2015 Bennington SSRX. It's a great boat. It's got the Regatta Blue with a tan interior. Come on back here, I'll show you. This boat is actually powered with a Yamaha 150. Great motor. It's got the SPS package, so it's going to be a great performing and comfortable boat to drive. Let me show you the inside. So up here in the bow, guys, this is a SSRX, like I mentioned. So it's got the front radius seating in the front, and it's got the radius seating in the back. It's got the seagrass flooring, easy to keep clean. It just needs to be, detailed out. Got the dash here with a stereo system. It has a Sony Bluetooth stereo. It's got a 10-foot Bimini top, and it's got a table here for you. So, it's a great boat. It's a used boat, but it's great for a family looking to get out on the water this summer. So, give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville.